Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you will be learn advanced selectors in HTML, CSS3, especially CSS3 sessions. We are focusing here within the form HTML5 form. We are going to applying these CSS class selector. CSS class selector HTML5 elements with a specific class attribute. To select elements with a specific class, write a period dot character followed by the class name. How it is we are going to see here. Like I'm taking two, like one is a h1 tag and one more is paragraph tag to my HTML form. Yes. And here within the class tag, I'm going to applying by calling a class tag. How it is we will see here. See, dot my fav. Very simply, this is called so-called. This is the class. It is the h1 and p tag is applied for class equal to myfav is an ID of class name. So this is the class name for both are same. Now here you will see like what I'm doing here. Dot myfav. I have written the class name of the class within the style tag. The style tag script here it is prepared within the style. I have a called dot and a class equal to my favorite is in a class name and the text alignment is centered and the color is red, background color is blue. These are the attribute values applied for these classes. Let's see how it is. Save it and refresh. Wow, we have done it. Red is indicating very much pretty this thing. I'll go to apply for some other color called yellow. Yellow. Let's see, save it, reload. Wow, how the beautiful. With the background box, it is coming along with this, it is coming like this. Now see here, we'll go with the code and we'll check it. And now the first one is H1, so it is so big it is looking. And the second one is a normal paragraph text, and both are applied for the same class. If I'm taking one more paragraph, yes, and here I have taken same class, and this is I'll write my custom data of yes. This is thi odd line centered align paragraph. Save it and run it. See, am I changed and am I write any classes for CSS? No. A single class we can have all commonly called by the name declaration of the class equal to my fav. Wherever you applied this class, all the properties what you have separated in this particular class will be applied straight away. That's all about in this lecture. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.